Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In case you're wondering about this makeup look right now, it is 4th of July and I wanted to do something out there and crazy and patriotic. But this video is all about hair, just so you know. This is the most requested video that I've gotten so far from all of you who are subscribers and who have seen my channel. You send me messages all the time on Instagram that you would like to see what products that I use to take care of my platinum blonde hair. And there is only one word I must say, Amika. That is right, that is the one brand that has been a lifesaver. My hairstylist Sandra, hello Sandra if you're watching, got me onto Amika, and it is a sulfate free, which is really great. It's better for your hair. And since I started doing Brazilian blowouts a few months ago, I have to use sulfate free products. So I just got through washing my hair with Amika's Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. This is a purple shampoo. So if you do like color your hair or you bleach it to do blonde, you lift it in any kind of way like to highlight it, this is great to keep it from being like really yellowy. It helps it to have more of a muted, more platinum tone. And the longer you leave it in there, the more it makes your hair like a lavender color. And you'll see like the ends of my hair when I take it out of the towel in just a minute has more of like a lavender tone to it than the roots, because the roots have just recently been colored. But after a while it'll do the same thing. So the longer you leave this in, the more of a lavender tone you'll get. So if you kind of like that, hey, leave it in a little longer. My conditioner is called the Kure. This is a repairing conditioner. I put this in, I like to leave this in at the least amount when I'm in a hurry, like 5 minutes. If I can leave it in for like 30 minutes and walk around the house and do things around the house or watch a TV show and leave it in and really condition it, I will. And this is my everyday conditioner. I have some conditioning mask and stuff that I also like to use on my hair, and if you guys would like, I can do a separate video or just put that in my story and let you guys know about the hair mask that I use. So these two I just did, so my hair is already prepped. Now I'm going to show you the next 2 steps that I use before the final step in blow drying and styling my hair. Now before I blow dry my hair, I put on this leave-in conditioner, which is called the Vault. It is a color lock leave-in conditioner. Anytime that you're stripping your hair and you're gonna go blonde, you're gonna go lighter, you can't just do a wash or rinse out conditioner. You need to do a leave-in conditioner, because for the longest time I didn't do it and my hair was just too coarse. It was too dry. It was very hard to get it to smooth out the way that I liked. But this product works great. I spray it mid shaft to ends. And then the next step is, after I work that in, and literally I just spray it on there and concentrate it on the mid shaft to ends. And this stuff really helps keep it nice and soft. And normally I put more than that, but I'm just showing you guys just as an example. The next one is the Wizard. This is kind of almost like a light thin oil, and this is a detangling primer, but it also is a heat protectant. It softens your hair, makes it real soft, really easy to comb through. This has been a lifesaver. So you're gonna use a wide tooth comb. Can I even talk today? I don't even know. Wide tooth comb to comb your hair, and make sure that you're not rough. When your hair is wet, that's when it's the weakest. You don't want to get a bunch of breakage, which is a possibility if you're combing your hair really hard and pulling on it, or doing it excessively and doing it a lot when it's wet. You definitely don't want to do that. So after shampooing, conditioning, then conditioning again, and priming, detangling, heat protectant, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then I'm gonna show you the last product that I use by Amika that helps seal the deal for me. All right, I'm blow dried, and before I move on, I also want to mention that the Wizard product by Amika also helps cut down on your blow dry time. And if you've ever had blonde hair, then you know it's more porous, it holds on to water, and it usually takes a little bit longer to blow dry. But with that spray, it's actually helped cut my blow dry time in half. So that's pretty awesome. Now I literally just stopped blow drying it, so it's like Okay, so the last product that I use is called Glass Action, and this is a universal elixir. I pretty much go crazy with this stuff before I flat iron just a little bit on my hair. Since I have a Brazilian blowout, I really don't need to do it flat iron that much. I do 6 pumps to start off with, and I have a section back here that tends to get kind of frizzy and get split ends just from, you know, the heat processing and flat ironing, blow drying, all of that. Then I like to rub it into the ends of my bangs and focus a lot right here on my sideburns, because sometimes they're so small, they tend to get over processed just a little bit. And so if not, they can be pretty frizzy, but most of the time I focus it on mid shaft to the ends, and I like it to be extra smooth. So then I'm gonna go, and I'll probably do like another 5 or 6 pumps. It's usually 10 to 12 pumps. It depends. During the winter time, when there's not as much humidity in the air and it's like drier because of the cold air, then I put like extra. But since there's humidity in the air, I don't have to quite put as much, you know? So I just like to really work it in, get it in there, and even take what's left on my hands and work it into like those little hairs that are growing in that kind of like stick up on the top, or what do you call, they call them flyaways, but you don't want them to fly away, right? No, we want them to stay. So I just work it all in there really, really good. And again, I can't tell you how much I love the Amika product smells. Is that bad that I like it that much? I don't know. But I just really work it in there. And my little section back here that sometimes likes to be fuzzy, but nope, not gonna let it. No, no, no. All right, and then from there, I'm gonna go flat iron, and you guys can see just how smooth it is after I'm done. All right, and there you have it. I just stepped off. I used my flattening iron just to kind of give it a little smooth, seal in the elixir that I put on there. And you know, sometimes I'll still have like some little hairs that are sticking up, like those flyaways. And I'll just put one more pump of the elixir and rub it in, and then just kind of work it into the parts where it hasn't laid flat after flat ironing it. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. The products speak for themselves. They're really, really awesome. And your hair will look great. It'll smell great. And it feels so silky smooth. You guys have a great day. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at BonnieAllen.Fashion. You like this video? Give it a thumbs up. Give me a comment on some stuff that you'd like to see in the future. And don't forget, ladies, and whoever's watching, beauty can be at any age.